Take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it. Dream of it. Live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. This is the way great spiritual giants are produced. Others are merely talking machines. Concentration means intensifying the power of assimilation. Here is the difference between men and the animals. Man has the great power of concentration. The difference in their power of concentration also constitute the difference between man and man. Compare the lowest with the highest man. The difference is in the degree of concentration. This is the only difference. What is the result of constant practice of higher concentration? All tendencies of restlessness and dullness will be destroyed. All knowledge that the world has ever received comes from the mind. The infinite library of the universe is in your own mind. The external world is simply the suggestion, the occasion which sets you to study your own mind. But the object of your study is always your own mind. The falling of an apple gave the suggestion to Newton, and he studied his own mind. He rearranged all the previous links of thought in his mind and discovered a new link among them, which we call the law of gravitation. It was not in the apple, nor in anything in the center of the earth. How has all the knowledge in the world been gained? But by the concentration of the powers of the mind. The world is ready to give up its secrets if we only know how to knock, how to give it the necessary blow. The strength and force of the blow come through concentration. There is no limit to the power of the human mind. The more concentrated it is, the more power is brought to bear on one point. That is the secret. In making money, or in worshipping God, or in doing anything, the stronger the power of concentration, the better will that thing be done. This is the one call, the one knock, which open the gates of future and let out floods of light. This, the power of concentration, is the only key to the treasure house of knowledge. Concentration will bring perfect repose to mind and body every time it is practiced. Concentration of the powers of the mind is our only instrument to help us see God. If you know one soul, your own, you know all souls, past, present, and to come. The will concentrate the mind. Certain things excite and control this will, such as reason, love, devotion, breathing. The concentrated mind is a lamp that shows us every corner of the soul.